everyone. This is Pathya Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst and also working with AI team now as a AI engineer. And today I'll be sharing about how you can understand how a day in life of mine feels like, what routine I follow. Someone, if he wants to become me or do things that I do, you can get into, maybe inspired by it. So I started a growing series on Instagram, and along with the documentation of YouTube, it's a daily reel series that I share about things I do in a day and routine I followed. And it serves as a digital diary for me, and for the other people it can serve as a view into my life, what I am doing on a daily basis. So I'm so happy about it. It's been going really great, and I thought I'll share it on YouTube also so that you guys can check out on Instagram. And I'll be making more personalized vlogs on YouTube, of course. But if you like a daily vlog and kind of things, it's on IG, you can follow me. I'll put the link in description. And it's been great. I've been working with a lot of customer support things, also product analysis also, as I've been doing, and also with the AI team. So I've been using Gemini model, I've been using AI, from the OpenAI, and then DeepSeek, all those I'm using. So it's been a long journey. I'll be telling about all of it, like how I have progressed to different roles and the things that I'm managing. So it's going to be a separate video. This one I was just going office, and then I thought of writing this video so that you guys can get a glimpse on it. So I'll be sharing more. Be patient. I'll be sharing it really soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll show you some of the footages of the reels that are there in here. It will come. You have been summoned. So like that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And peace out. And do follow me for more data analytics and customer support also. Like customer here, how do I see it? Customer CX kind of things and product analysis videos also I'll be putting, since I've been working on it. And then AI also, like I'll be talking about more AI now along with it, so that people who are wanting to transition can also see it. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. And do not forget to check out Shivai for each weekly we are putting out data analytics videos.